I am going to show you how to fix video call problem in WhatsApp on iPhone. This process will be simple and easy, and for this you don't have to open your WhatsApp application. Just open your mobile phone setting. After it opens, scroll down and find the option of General. Once you find, click on it. And here you can see the option of iPhone storage. Click on it. And here you have to find your WhatsApp application. As you can see, here is my WhatsApp. Click on it. And here you have to tap on this option offload app and click on the option offload app. It will remove all the cache files of WhatsApp. And if you are facing that problem again, then open the Apple Store and check the latest version of WhatsApp. If you do not have the latest version, then update the WhatsApp and restart your device. Still, if you are facing the same issue, then you have to uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp application. Then your problem will be solved. And that's it.